These are the Halls Minis Cough Drops in the sugar-free watermelon flavor. These have a really great taste to them. Watermelon is a very great flavor. And you get 24 of these in this pocket-sized container here. I really like this container. You just put it in your pocket, in a purse, in a bag, wherever you need to put it. And just really small and really thin, really small profile. This is what the mini drops look like right here. Pretty small, but perfectly sized. Really have a great taste on this, the watermelon one. Highly recommend these. So definitely want to check these out. Halls Minis Sugar-Free Watermelon flavor. You get 24 drops in this slim container here.